तो सुना बात करेंगे आप लोगों के साथ मारुति सुजुकी के बारे में। मारुति सुजुकी Q3 रिजल्ट लाइफ नेट प्रॉफिट में रेज्ड अराउंड 35% फॉर इंडिया's largest automaker. Maruti Suzuki Q3 result life Maruti Suzuki is expected to report a strong December quarter, which brokers forecasting healthy growth in revenue and profit, supported by robust volume, favorable products mix, and the operating leverage despite mixed margin trends. Maruti Suzuki Q3 result life Maruti Suzuki India is expected to report a strong performance for the December quarter Q3 financial year 2026, with the brokers forecasting healthy year-on-year growth in gross revenue and profitability. Analysts believe the October-December period benefit from solid demand and improving product mix and operating leverage, even as the margin trends remain mixed. According to estimate, Maruti Suzuki net profit for December quarter is projected to rise between 24% and 35% on year-on-year basis. Profit after tax is estimated in the range of 4,540 crore to 5,696 crore. Revenue from operation is also expected to register robust growth of around 32% to 37% compared with the year-ago period, with the top line seen between 50,765 crore and 52,706 crore. Volumes and product mix to drive earning momentum. Analysts attributed the strong earning outlook to steady volume growth across key segments, and particularly in utility, visual, and premium hatchback models such as the Grand Vitara and Baleno, and expected to have supported overall dispatches on the margin front. Brokers expected a mixed picture, while easing raw material costs and operating leverage may provide some support. Higher promotional spending, discount, and costs linked to new model launches could limit margin expansion. Maruti Suzuki Q3 result live paid expectation. Brokers estimate suggested a strong quarter for Maruti Suzuki on the profitability front. Centrums and booking pace and adjust paid at 4,540 crore, implying in 29% YoY and 38% QoQ raise, and Novuma expected adjust paid of 4,630 crore, up 31% YoY and 41% QoQ, while ES security forecast paid at 4,743 crore, reflecting 35,000 YoY and 44% QoQ growth. Elara Capital was the most bullish, projecting paid at 5,696 crore, higher by 24% YoY and 34% QoQ.